Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar from 2nd BSc Biochemistry. Now I am going to explain about ecological succession. Succession. What is ecological succession? Ecological succession is the process by which the structure of the biological community evolves over time. They are classified into two, primary and secondary. Now we are going to see primary succession. What is primary ecological succession? Primary succession is the ecological succession that begins in the essentially lifeless areas. Such regions there is no soil, where the soil is incapable of sustaining life because of formation of lavas and sand dunes and retreating glaciers. The first species to arrive are fast-growing weedy species. What is weedy species? The species which have the potential to grow faster in the given environment, such as lichens or small annual plants, which create the first layer of the soil and as they decompose. They decompose and provide habitats for small animals and other forms of life. These plants are again replaced by grasses and shrubs, which shade out the first colonizer and they grow into plants and shrubs and alter the soil further because before large trees and more shade tolerant species replace the community of sun loving grasses and shrubs. Each community may support different collections of animal species. Each community has different animal species. This is called primary succession, where rocks and lichens formed on the rocks and started to grow as lichens and grasses and perennials, and it grown into intermediate species, grasses and shrubs. Finally, it grown to climax community, shade tolerant trees may grow. Then, secondary succession. Secondary succession occurs in areas where a biological community has already existed, but some or all of that community has been removed by small-scale disturbances like flooding, fire, and other disturbances may drive out many animals and plants, which do not remove the uh, nutrients from the soil. The community does not start from the scratch as it would during primary succession because the soil, which contains many nutrients provided by the former biological community. The former biological community means the plants which have the interacting group of species. This is called secondary succession. Secondary succession start from fires and it decompose and again started to grow as perennials and grasses and shrubs. Then it grow into a climax community. What are the causes? During successions, organisms alter their physical surrounding in a way that make those surroundings more suitable for other kind of organisms and less suitable for themselves. As a result, the older organisms moved out and new organisms invade them. Thank you.